Hello, everybody. So I just want to do a quick video to show you guys how you can help your customers save on shipping. So the best way to do that is if they have multiple orders and they are being shipped to the same place. So even if you just have one customer who wants to ship their order, say, to your house, or if somebody's hosting a cooking class and they want it shipped to the host house, that's okay, but it does have to be more than one order for them to actually save any money. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So just open up a cooking class, and I have a couple on the go right now. So I'm just going to show you guys this one. So I just kind of go into my cooking classes right here. I just move my mouse over one that I have open. I'm going to add the order, and this would be the top one here. So this is the best way for them to save on shipping. So just click that one. And this is where it's up to you if you guys want the host to have them claim their free product credit at the same time, or if they want to, think about what they want and then have it shipped separately. So let's just say that she's not sure what she wants yet. So she will just have that sent at another time. But keep in mind that if she or he wants it sent at another time, then they do have to pay more shipping. So just let the host know that if she wants to choose her free products at the same time, then she should have it all shipped at the same time, because then you don't have to pay anything additional. So you know what? So let's just say no for now, because I don't know actually who's going to be the host of my cooking class. So it doesn't make sense to say that it will be at the same time. So I'm just going to type in a person here. Okay, so look on the upper left-hand side. See how there's a plus sign. So this is when you would add another customer. So let's just say that Teddy wants to order, I just sort of put in a number here. Let's say that they want to order the set here, and that's it. But if you guys add another customer, so I'm going to just add my husband here, just to show you guys how that works. So notice how his name now pops up. So let's say you were placing the order and you said, okay, so I want it to be under Teddy. Just click on the little line here, or the little arrow, I guess, and make sure who you are entering the products for, the name shows up here. So I'm going to go back to Tom. Let's say he wants the prep bowl. He wants some of the barbecue chicken rub. Notice how they have the two now separated. So then to move on, let's just say it's just the two customers. Click on shipping, and I'll show you guys how they separate it. Let's just say it's being shipped to my house. So the consultant, there's no address selected, and that's actually not my address either. I don't know why that's in there, but that's okay. I just want to kind of show you guys how it works. So notice how these two here are separated. So I always click so that I can see all of the taxes and everything added up. So when you see like yellow here or brown, this is the final price. Even if you try to tell them the price from your last page, it's not all added up yet. So always check. This is how I check, is to check for this like brown yellow line, and this is when everything's added up. So notice how the customer shipping, you guys, is a lot less. It's only $407 for Teddy, and then $494 for Tom. Okay, and taxes, of course, too. So this is Teddy's final price, and this is Tom's. Now, keep in mind, you guys, the more customers you do add, it is less shipping for everybody. So this is the perfect example of when you're closing a party. Say, everybody saves on shipping if you have it all sent to the host or to the same address for everybody to pick up. So have your orders in soon so that I can have everything shipped out at the same time. So then that way everybody saves on shipping. So does that make sense? If anything's confusing, please just let me know. And I hope you guys sell lots and lots. And this is honestly the best way to save on shipping. So a quick note though too, like even if you're just simply placing your own order. Like let's say you just simply do a post and say, hey guys, I'm placing a bulk order next Friday. Who wants to save on shipping? Now is the time to order because I can order everything to my house and everybody saves on shipping. So that does help out a lot of people too because nobody wants to pay shipping, let me tell you. So let me know though if you guys have any questions, and thank you so much for listening. I will see you all in the next one.